Hey guys, earlier I have shown you how to use a digital vernier caliper. Now I got this analog one. How to use it? This just loosen it from the side, expand, and then just let's say I want to measure the roof width of this Lamborghini Huracan scale model. So I'll just put it like this. Now lock it in place using this bolt. Now it won't move, right? So we have the measurement locked in, and once you have that, take it out, read the main scale, see where the zero is. So if you notice carefully, the zero is this will be 35, 36. This is just ahead of 36. So our main scale reading is 36 millimeters, or you can say 3.6 centimeter. We'll keep it 36 millimeter. Now you look at the vernier scale, which has a least count of 0.05. This means that it can measure up to 0.05 millimeters. So now if you go through this vernier scale, you will notice that two lines will be coinciding on the main scale and on the vernier scale. Basically it will be coinciding only at one position, not more than that. So you need to find where it coincides. So if I look closely here, the line number 5 is coinciding perfectly. If you look here, if you check this one, this is off to the right a bit, and this one is off to the left a bit. So 5 is perfectly aligned with this main scale. So that means we got our next reading as 5. Now this 5 is actually, if you count the number of divisions here, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So this is basically 10 divisions, and our least scale is written over here. This is 0.05. So 0.05. So now if you do this math, you will get 0.1. Now you add this to our previous reading, so that will be 36.1 millimeter. Now you can easily convert it to centimeter. That would be 3.61 centimeter. So you got your reading. That's the width of this Lamborghini Huracan scale model's roof. Now if let's say you want to measure the width from inside of anything, then instead of these two teeth, you use these two. Let's say I want to measure the width of the window. Now you see it fits there, and you can take the reading from here. You can get the reading in millimeters from here and inches from here. Both options are available. And the last thing that you can measure is the depth. So the depth is measured by this scale. So now let's say if you want to measure the depth of this screw hole, so you put this in like this and then move the scale like this. Now you got some reading here, and you can read what is the measurement. So that's how you use a vernier caliper. And then if you multiply these readings by 36, this car is, if you see, 1/36 scale model. So if you multiply it by 36, you will get the actual measurements of a Lamborghini Huracan. Hope you like this video. Like, share, subscribe, follow Weebles.
If you like this video, please consider subscribing.
This guy's not slowing down. Yeah, that's confirmed. He's not stopping. Code 3.